What's up, guys? Let me turn my music down. All right, the market is getting smashed right now. North Korea decided to drop a hydrogen bomb. So what do you know? North Korea drops a hydrogen bomb and our market tanks. That's how the world works, guys. I'm going to show you guys a chart, all right? If once you get into the stock market, you should start following certain indicators like the Dow Jones. And if you notice here, these are called the mini futures. Day traders use the mini futures to follow the regular market. All right, so right now we're watching the mini Dow futures. You can also day trade the Dow, and that's what I usually do on any given day. All right, if you noticed up in the left hand corner, the YM is what it's called, the mini Dow. We're down 225 points, which is about 1.3% of the market. All right, anytime we're down 1% or up 1%, it's a big deal in the stock market, and it's great for day trading. So right now the Dow is sitting at around 16,850. When you're trading the mini Dow futures, you need $4,000. Let's just be real. When you're day trading, you need $4,000, which is actually a little bit of money to control a lot. So in the regular stock market, if you wanted to buy Apple or buy any given stock over and over again on any particular day, you need a minimum of $25,000 to buy over and over again. Now, I don't want to discourage you. That's just in case you want to buy Apple, 5 to 10 times on any given day. Now, if you want to buy a stock and hold it for more than 24 hours, you can use as little as $100 or $200 to open up an account. But I'm addressing the day traders, and I'm also addressing anyone that's interested in getting into the market. So for now, I want to talk to my day traders. These are the mini Dow futures, like I said before. And if you notice, any dollar move, now you need $4,000 to own one contract. For every dollar move, you can make or lose $5. So what I try to do on any given day is I want to make at least 100 points or 100 ticks. Because 100 ticks is going to be $500. Or every dollar move is going to be $5. So I want it to move 20 times. So that I wanted to move 100 times so I can make $500. So 16,856 to 16,857. That's a dollar move. That's $5 that I make or lose. All right, I'm going to show you guys some charts. Now, let's look at how the global market is doing first. Like I said before, the Dow is down 223 points, which is good. The NASDAQ is down 43 points. The S&P is down 22 points. Well, it's not good for 401ks, but it's good for day traders. You can always make money when the market is going down or when the market is going up. You need to decide which direction you want to go. If you looked at my previous videos, I told you guys, if you don't understand what going long or what going short is, you need to Google it and to get a better understanding of it. But in the stock world, especially when you become an advanced trader, you can go long by buying a stock and waiting for it to go up, or buying a futures and waiting for it to go up, and you can make money. But you can also short the market and you can make money as the market goes down. The Big Short is a very, very good movie that everybody needs to go and see. It gives you a little bit of understanding on how shorts work and how you can make money when everybody's in panic mode. And if you notice, these are a basket of stocks that I own because I like to preach. I like to, I like to back up, what I'm preaching. So, I own a lot of tech stock. I own a lot of cannabis stock. I own Disney. I own restaurant stocks. I'm pretty fundamentally. I buy a lot of good fundamentally good companies, but I also have a couple of home run hitters. And you want a portfolio that's diversified that way. All right, let's talk about some of the trades that I took today for the day traders. And I'm going to make this quick. All right, at 9:30, if you notice, there's an arrow here. There's an arrow here and there's an arrow here. Anytime I see an arrow and I see green, I like to go long. Let me add some of the drawings for today. All right, and if you notice, my first trade today was at this particular price. And I'm going to back it up some. And this is kind of hard holding a camera. You guys are going to have to go and look at videos that I produce. But I got in at this particular entry. The market my trade went down. It went up. It never reached my target price of target profit of $500. And the trade came back down and I broke even. And that was my first trade for the day. So I broke even on that trade. As you noticed, a pennant formed. This is a pennant. Looks like a triangle. I took another trade, and this is in the day trading world. When you break out of a pennant, you can either break to the upside or you can break to the downside. Here, I broke to the upside. I took a trade here. The trade went up, it went up, it went up. It was up $265, and then it came all the way back down to break even. And I got frustrated, guys, and I decided not to trade anymore for the rest of the day. But because I take stats, I looked to see if there was another entry. Here's a green candle. A green arrow. Here's a green candle. I should have entered this trade here, but by then I was mentally beat. I should have entered this trade at this particular price, 16,855. Remember, I said for every dollar move is $5. So it went from 16,855 all the way to 16,900. It dropped. Never stopped me out. And right now, let me look and see where the price is. Oh, it actually came back down. But at one point, the trade was up about $400. So I don't feel too bad because we never reached my target price. So like I said before, guys, using Periscope to show charts is really challenging for me. But, I wanted you guys to just look and see a little bit on how I day trade. Again, if you don't understand charts, YouTube is available. Go into YouTube, look up candlestick charting, read how to read candles. If you don't know what a future is, you can always go on Google or YouTube. This is the information age. And teach yourself the knowledge so that when you're talking to another trader, we can talk, you guys can ask me questions, I can answer, and you can understand exactly what I'm doing. But you're not going to be able to trade on your own until you understand how to read charts. All right.